Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rios Art, here with Mr. Rios, and today is form. Now shape, form, and value are all kind of connected on this project. So form, what is form? Form is a three-dimensional object. Okay. How can you break it down? Technically it's length times width and times height, okay, or length, height, width, however you want to say that. So shape is basically what two-dimensional is, right? Square, circle, triangle, okay, or it can be any other shape. It can be a car, truck, whatever you want to look at it. Okay, those are shapes, okay, that can identify. Now, how can we make form though? How does that happen? So form is basically the same thing, only three-dimensional, okay? How do we make three-dimensional objects? So basically three-dimensional, how we tend to look at it is to make a square. How can we make this square look three-dimensional? Well, we can basically have a square, okay, with then another square right behind it. Now we connect each corner to each corner, okay, and that's how we create form, okay, 3D. All right, now we have to still add our value, okay. To do our light source, to do these shapes, okay, these forms, to make it more 3D, we have to let the viewer know that it's casting shadow. You have your dark to light, your values, okay. So as of right now, this looks like an ice cube, okay, which is fine, but we still have to do this ice cube looking 3D, and we have to do that by adding our shading, okay. So now technically this ice cube, we are able to see these not dark lines, straight lines like so, but we can imply, we can kind of we know that that's happening back there, okay. So if you want to make this ice cube three-dimensional, we would have to kind of erase these lines, okay. We're not able to see that, okay, but we can have it there lightly. And what we can do is do our darks, okay. But first, like I said, light source, light source is right here, okay. So this is our sun coming from here, okay. So it's gonna be a bright side. This side of the square is pretty much dark, okay. Now we can smudge with the same finger. So we can go like so. Very simple. Okay, go like so. And if you see ice cubes, they tend to have like indentations of, some of kind of reflections or water that's kind of wavy, because ice cubes, ice blocks, they're not perfectly squared. Now the light's coming obviously from there. This block tends to cast shadow, okay. Now we do as well dark to light. Okay, as it gets closer out here, there's a chance of this light, okay, going dark, light to dark here, but this shadow will tend to, you know, start here and finish here. So the shadow gets closer to where the light ends out here, tends to be lighter. Okay, so we can use our smudging tool here. This is form. Okay, there's also spheres, you know, prisms, pyramids that we can do. Let's go ahead and do the three-dimensional triangle. Okay, now the triangle looks like a pyramid. Okay, all we can do is kind of dot the lines, imaginary line back there. Okay, that's where this creates a square down here, and then from the square goes up, and each line, each tip of the corner, each edge touches, all connect to one spot. Okay, this does the pyramid effect. So again, the light comes from here, the sun, okay, so we have this, all this side is light and this side is shaded. Okay, there's no dark, guys. So now it also casts a shadow. Okay, our shadow starts here and ends out here. Okay, let's use our finger. Why not? Alright, that's it. Now here we can use our ruler, the eraser, gonna erase these edges, these lines, so we can make a more crisp and sharp length, width, and then this is height.